Okay, guys, one more thing. I also wanted to address um something else in here, and probably even in the um kitchen and stuff. Okay, so when I started working on the family room, my husband, like I told y'all know he works away from home, sometimes 6 weeks away, 2 weeks home. That's the schedule he's on right now. So for me, I cannot lift a lot of heavy stuff. So if my son or someone like that doesn't have time to come over and do the heavy lifting for me, I can't do anything to um, the project. But when I started, I knew how I wanted my family room to be. I want a U shape sectional in here, because I want when we get together, I want everyone to be able to sit and look at each other's face and stuff, have interaction with each other, instead of some of us in here, some of us in there, um, you know, different places throughout the house. So I wanted that, and I know I wanted like a dark gray, probably about that dark gray, like right here. But what I want to address is, like when I started, I knew I was getting new furniture. And this furniture is over 6 years old. And so, as you can see, it has a lot of wear and tear because it is a free all. It's a family room. Family does get together in it, and so over the course of the years, it's rubbed off the coating on it, and so I have not replaced this because I said it doesn't make sense to replace this, knowing that I'm going to replace it with the sectional. So that's why you see this furniture still in here. I wanted to tell y'all about that as well, and I am going to work on the nook after I finish with the built-in. So I'm praying that when it's time to start on the second built-in, that my mindset be that I can record for you guys, and edit and stuff, and bring the full video of the process. It'll probably be a time lapse, because it is taking so long. I've been talking about these built-ins for a long time, and that's how long it's been worked on. And you see the progress. It's going slow. It's slow and steady. But yeah, I wanted to come and tell you guys about that because I knew somebody is going to make mention to the chairs, and I just want you guys to know why it's like that. The floor was done first. Now the built-ins, I did one set and I didn't like it, so I stopped. Oh, I'm sorry, y'all looking. I'm sorry. Okay, so let me start so I can edit that part off. So I did the floors first. The floors was first, and then the built-ins was going to be next. And I did some built-ins before, and I didn't like the way they looked, so I just stopped mid of them, and that's the way it stayed for probably 3 years. And so I finally said, okay, I'm tired of looking at it. I want to go ahead and get it done. And I've seen so many built-ins, and I know what I want now. So the built-ins next, and then I'm going to do the furniture because I'm not going to do all the cutting inside, but my brother-in-law came over and he cut all that wood, all the wood was on the floor now. all the wood for this built-in. He cut it, and so um I'm still able to slide wood across the floor because this wood is very heavy, so I can't pick it up until I cut it into sections that's small enough for me to pick up. So that's why. Oh, excuse me, guys. Excuse me. I'm so sorry. I didn't go to bed till like 4 o'clock, and I woke up at like 6, and then I went back to bed at 6 and woke back up at 8. So that's just the way I'm sleeping. But yeah, that's all I want to come back and tell you guys. I can't wait to show y'all guys some of the tools that I've gotten and what they do. And so that may be the next video that you guys see. So with that being said, I am going for real this time. Bye bye.